at the Soluna Beach Club, right near, as you can see, the Atlantis. The water here, we're in it right now, me and my wife, and the water is incredible. The heat is insane, but the water is a good complement to it. What do you think?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It cools you down a lot. Definitely. It's so nice here. I'm telling you, it's a bit pricey. So what we got, we'll say it in Australian dollars because that's what we're used to. The food, I got a burger with chips, which cost about 35 Australian dollars, which is quite expensive. And my wife here, Andrea, got some shrimp tacos, was it?
Yes.
And that
Just by themselves.
2 shrimp tacos that cost about 40 AUD. That'll translate to about 25 US. That's also in Dubai money. That'll be about 90 dirhams. Yeah, 80, 90 dirhams. Quite on the pricey side, but that's what you get for coming to a private beach. The drinks that we got, cocktails, cost about 25 Australian dollars, about 15 US, and about 55 AED, which is dirhams here. A bit on the pricey side, but again, that's what you're going to get. If you want cheap, go somewhere cheap. But unfortunately, that's just what you're going to be met with when you come over here. But you just can't argue with that view. You just cannot argue.
It's beautiful here.
Yeah, you just cannot argue with the view, the water, the service, incredible. Definitely incredible. Definitely a place everyone has to come. Alright guys, we're currently doing the camel ride in the desert, followed by some dune buggy, some quad biking, enjoying some refreshments, sandboarding, a bunch of stuff. This right now cost us about 250 Australian dollars. Totally worth it. Hot as shit, but totally worth it. This camel ride is sick. I feel sorry for the camel though, but camel ride is
very
sick.
hot as well.
It's going uphill right now. This camel is solid. All right, guys, we're near the end of our safari excursion, our adventure, and we just got dropped off at the top of the desert. Pretty much, it seems like the highest point.
Sand dunes.
Yeah, pretty much the highest point. And have a look at this view over here. Look at that sunset. Wow. Wow, there's our car that we were doing 4-wheel drive skids with and drifts and everything around this place. Honestly, yes, it is slippery here, guys. Make sure you wear good shoes, not thongs.
And not barefoot.
Or barefoot. I mean, she had to go barefoot because she brought thongs to a desert.
Lesson learned.
Lesson learned, but definitely worth the trip. This place is incredible. The weather is actually not that bad. I highly recommend you guys come. Either probably I'd say early morning or
Late
sunset. Yeah, sunset right now. Honestly, you can't go wrong with sunset. It's just incredible. What a journey, what a day. This is incredible. This, I would have to say, and yes, it is my birthday today. I did turn 30, and this is a great way to spend my 30th. Honestly, what a day, what an adventure. Don't you think?
I agree.
I agree. Guys,
These kids dirty 30s now.
they are the dirty 30s. Yes, the dirty 30s. Guys, what an adventure this is. I can't believe that we're here right now. I hope you guys enjoyed every second of this video, just like we enjoyed every second of this day. What a day, guys. What a day.
See ya.